Welcome to our channel. Today we are upgrading the firmware of the Lantronix modem. Let's start. Log in your modem. You can download the latest firmware from this site. I will provide the link in description. This is the latest version of the modem. The downloading is start now. This internet is running through a modem, so it's slow. Let's connect Wi-Fi. For downloading the firmware file, go to network, go to adapter, give a fixed IP, now internet is running through Wi-Fi. Re-download it, click here. The downloading is starting now. Now it's fast. This is the downloaded file. Then go to modem site, go to system, then backup and flash. Then click on flash. Then browse the file which we download. Open it. Now click on upload. Now wait for some moment. It's verifying the file. Now it's checking the file. It's compatible or not. Now it's compatible. Flash file is compatible. Now click on continue. Now red light is blinking, means the firmware is upgrading. Start. It will take 10 to 15 minutes. This is alert light. Now modem is restarting. I am pausing the video. Now check pinging. Just wait for a moment. Now it's pinging. Now refresh the page. Now click on admin, then login. Now look, the firmware is updated. For adding the external services, you can go to software and update the list. Then dismiss. Now install Modbus Master. Now dismiss. Install Modbus FTP. It's required for us. Then install it. Then dismiss it. It's both are installed. Look, it's not showing anything like Modbus Master which we installed. We need to restart the modem. Go to system. Go to reboot. Perform reboot. Now modem is restarting. Just wait for the IP pinging. I am skipping the video. Now it's pinging. Then refresh the page. Login again. Click on login. Then go to services. Look, the Modbus Master is showing now. You need to create a Modbus file and upload in the configuration for reading the Modbus data. On configuration, in data window, it's showing the data which you configure in Excel sheet. You can download the Excel sheet from here if you uploaded. Thanks for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe.